Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar. DOMINIC FIKE here with a song called Mona Lisa. It's a nice lick there going on. We have 3 chords, and we can also use a simple strumming pattern. Let's go. Capo high up here on the 6th fret because we want the high notes. These ones, so that's the reason for capo on 6, and that will be even easy chords to use, so that's a great combo there. Let's start with the chords. We have the D minor 7 sus4, a very long name for a simple chord. Looks like this. So that is open D, 2nd G, 1st B, and 3rd E. That's the D minor 7. Then we have the A minor 7. So that is open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And finally we have the G, and for this specific chord we'll focus more on the bass mid string, so we'll not use the G we usually do. So just like this, going from A minor 7 to the G like this. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, and then open the rest. Open D, open G, open B. And I try to avoid the last E string there, but open E. Yeah, so there you have the G and the chords you need. The D minor 7, A minor 7, and the G. Let's take a look at the main part here, the lick, and it goes like this. Very easy. So we're gonna look at the notes chord by chord, starting with the D minor. So you can hold the chord as it is. So you're gonna pick open D, 2nd G, and 1st B together. Then a kick. Then you pick those 3 notes and strings again, same. And then you roll open D, 1st B, and 3rd E. And that's it for the D minor part. So pick 3 notes, D, G, and B, then clap, then pick again 3 notes, then right after you roll from open D, 1st B, and 3rd E. Then you go over to the A minor 7. You can hold the chord as it is. Here I like to pick all 4 notes A, D, G, and B together like this, and a clap, and that's it for A minor 7. And then we have the final part, the G. When you go with the picking here, you're gonna pick 3rd on E string in the bass together with open G and open B. And then you roll 3rd E, open G, and open B after each other like that. So, and there you have the full melody, guys. All right, so it's pretty easy. If you go slow, it will sound like this from the D minor. And with tempo, a couple of rounds, it goes. It's nice to play, fun, so you can do that through the entire song, and that's what's going on through the entire song. But you can also mix it up with some strumming, and we have a simple strumming pattern here. Let's take a look at it, starting with the D minor 7. Then we need to divide it into 2 different parts. We'll come to that. The D minor 7, 1 full string around, sounds like this. Okay? So it's down, clap, clap. So down, clap, down together, then a short pause, and then comes the clap afterwards. So. Down, clap, down, clap, down, clap, down, clap, down, clap, clap, down, pause, clap, okay? So it's a pause in between there. So that's how you do the D minor 7, down, clap, and then you use the same pattern here, but you need to do with 2 chords. So you're gonna go to A minor 7, so you're gonna play down, clap, and then you immediately change to G and play the down, and then pause, and then clap. So A minor 7 and G splits on one strumming around here. So the A minor was down, clap, and then quick to G, down, and then pause, and then clap. So down, clap, clap. So one round slow goes like this. And a couple rounds standard tempo. So you can mix it up like I just did, melody, strumming, that's what's going on. DOMINIC, FIKE, Mona Lisa. There you are, so it's for you guys. So if you want to support me here, thumb up this tutorial, subscribe to this channel, and we'll see each other again very soon. Till next time, play tuned.